Namaskar. Today I am going to explain Science and Technology 2 10th Standard Maharashtra Board question paper. In this question paper is divided in 4 parts. One is A part, in which we include the MCQ types of questions. These all questions are compulsory, and this question number 1A. When we attempt this question, we have to, question is like this. Question number 1A, choose the and write the correct option number as answer. So from this question we have to choose the one right options, and this cannot be repeated. You have to choose the correct answers and you have to go through properly for these questions. For example, the regenerations occur in amoeba, parameciums, euglena and planaria. So the right answer is planaria. So what you have to write? You have to answer question number 1A, D. So this is the way you have to write this answer. Now then you have to move to the next questions. But when you answering these questions, you have to give the proper answers and with the proper order. Then we have to move to the next question, and so on. We attempt this question number 1. This is the A part, and second part is of this question is solve the following, which is the B part of this short questions. It contain again 5 marks, and in these questions you have to given the different types of questions, like pick the odd man out, in which you have to change on all these questions carries the 1 marks each, and here you have to pick the odd man out and write the correlations and state true and false, and then write the full form of the WHO and match the pair. This way you have to write the questions, and when you attempt this question again, the order should not be changed. The order given by the in the question paper, you have to write the same order. Don't change the order of the question paper. For example, if you are solving the question number B1, so you have to give, you are solving the question number B2 first. So you have to write the question B2 first and then write the proper order of these questions. And then for example, write the correlation of the skin, melanin and pancreas. In this pancreas, what you are write? Insulin. So here you have write the proper option, and then if you are going to the next is you are attempting the one, then you have write the order same, that is one question, pick out the odd man out, then you have to write the proper options. So this way you have to attempt this question. It is again carries 1 mark each, and there is no option is given in this questions. So you have to go through all these questions and write the proper answers. When you writing these answers of these questions, you have to attempt it carefully, because in this, if the question is incorrect, then you will not get the marks. Then next question is our B part, in which we write the give the scientific reason. This is the short answer types of questions, and these questions carries different marks. For example, give the scientific reasons, and it is any two. You have to here in this question you have given the options, like give the scientific reason any two. We have to do the any one. So when you are writing the options, you have to choose the one on which you have confident. The question on which you are confident, you have to choose the questions. For example, if you are confident on question number 1, though the tortoise lives on the land as well as in the water, it cannot be included in class amphibia. If you are confident on this question, then you have to write the answer first of these questions. But if you are not confident, then you choose any one of the question. But when you are giving the answers, you have to write the proper order. And when you attempting these questions, you have to use the point answers, like this is of carries the 2 marks, and you have to write in the points, like 4 points, because you will get, and you must underline the keywords. जो keywords होते हैं इसके, you have to underline those keywords, so that it become easy for the examiner to examine. And don't give extra explanation, write only 4 points and very precise points, because it carries only 2 marks. This is the question number 2, B part. Answer any 3 out of the followings. So this carries 6 marks. Again, it is of 2. Again of 2 marks. And when you attempting these questions, here it is again different types of question. Again, you have given the options on these questions. Options means you can choose any question. You have given 4 or 5 options, and you have to attempt only 3 question out of this, and it carries on. So when you are doing the options, you must be confident about your answer, that I I have to choose the answer question which I can give the answer properly. So when you attempted this question, again you should be precise and give the answer in points and precise, and it should be the scientific way. Don't explain unnecessarily. It should be the in points. For example, factors affecting the social health. So you only 4 option is given you. To you have to write the 4 options on these boxes, and you can make this same type of web or same types of pattern you can create in your with your pencils, and you can write the answers properly. But write precise and to the point, and it should be scientific answers. And whatever is given in your textbook, you have to write only that answers. So then in this way we can attempt these questions. And students, for this question, when you attempting these questions, question paper, you should be very precise, and you must go through the all the lessons properly, and you can write when you write the answers, it should be the scientific way. Third question, answer any 5 questions. This carries 15 marks. 15 marks means 3 marks each questions. So when you are writing in this question, again you have to, you have given the different numbers and patterns. Again you have to choose the question which you understand properly, and again the on the question answer which you are very much confident about the answer, you have to choose that questions. And again in this sub question, again the sub questions, again there are again options are given. So like explain the following terms: stem cells, cloning, and genetically modified crops. So again when you attempting this question number 2, so you can't change this pattern, because you have to write all the A, B, C of the question number 2 properly. क्योंकि अगर आप change करते हैं तो that pattern will be changed, and then you will not get the marks of properly. So when you are attempting these types of questions, you have to choose the properly questions, and you have to write the answers properly, like question number 2. And same when you are attempting, if you are attempting question number 3, the complete the given paragraphs, and by filling the blank spaces from the option and given in the brackets. So what you have to do, you have to choose that, because this is a paragraph is given to you, so you have to write this paragraph once, and then choose the proper and write the proper and underline the words which you have filled in this the filling the blanks. So you have to underline, and underlining should be done with the pencils properly, so that it will be clear to the other. And again I want to suggest you one questions. When you writing the one question after another questions, so you have to make the gap between the 2 questions, so that it becomes visible and clear to the examiners while checking the question papers. So this way you have to attempt the questions and filling the blanks. And now the last question, these types of questions, like in this question number 3, you have to observe the pictures and answer the question. Now in this you have to observe the picture. In this case, these types of questions when comes, don't draw the picture. You have to observe, and the question is given to you, and give the, again you have to give the precise answers, like identify the given diagrams. So what you identify and what you understand by the, write in 1 or 2 words. Answer should be in 1 or 2 words, and it should be precise. Don't explain the diagrams, only just write the, this diagram is showing this much of like a windmill. So what is the source of the energy in this project? So then you write, if you write keywords only, source of energy is wind, kinetic energy of wind, then this answer is okay. Why this source is supposed to be eco-friendly. So when you write, don't explain too much, you have to write it in the why it is eco-friendly, because it don't give any pollutions, it don't release the pollutants. So your answer should be precise and to the point and scientific way. Then complete the following chart. Same way you have to draw this in your notebook, in your answer sheet, and properly, and then write in this way: the hobbies helpful overcome the stress. Same way. But again I am again saying, students, don't change the paper question orders, and you should be precise with your answers. And while attempting this question paper, the question number 1, when you are attempting the question, you can explain in these questions, like write the names of any 6 material which are to be the in the first 8 box. So in this case again you should be precise, because you have to write in the this answer again in the points, like point 1, what you put in the, when you writing the answer, what is there in your first aid box, and how you arrange your first aid box, and what should be there, and why it is used, and when it is used. You must know the, you write at the end of the this answer that why this is used and where it is required, this these types of questions. So it will be show your explanations and your confidence on the questions. Then define the vestigial organ. When defined, see these types of question is given, you define the vestigial organ. So you should be precise, the definition should be very precise. Write the names of any two vestigial organ, and only write the names, don't explain the vestigial organ. You have to write them, because one vestigial organ carries the 1 marks. Then write the name of those animals in which these vestigial organs are functional, and then you have to write the names of the organs where it is the animals where these organs which are functional but vestigial for other animals. Then read the statements and answer accordingly. Same way you have to attempt all these questions A, B and C, because these are the sub question of the question number 3, third questions. So you have to all attempt all these A, B, C continuously, because this carries the 1 marks each. So this way you have to attempt the question number 3. Now the fourth question, that is answer anyone. This is a very explanation types of question, and you have to explain in this question, like question number 5, answer the following question based on human male reproductive systems. Here you have given the picture of male reproductive system, or you have to explain. In this you can explain the question very briefly, and because this carries the 5 marks. Again you have to be very precise with your answer. It should be scientific, and when you are explaining the question that when you are attempting these types of questions, you explain it, but the explanation should be scientific. Or this way you are, again you have given the option of this, you have to decide the which question you have to do, and the answer of the questions. When you are answering the questions, the order of the question should be proper, and don't change your order of the question paper according which is given into the question paper. Look students, मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि जो आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर है, जो आप जब आप अटेंड करें, बिकॉज अभी बहुत कम टाइम बचा है हमारे पास, तो जो हमारा क्वेश्चन MCQ टाइप का जो क्वेश्चन है, उसको आपको जितना थॉरोली आप उसको, जितने क्वेश्चन जितने भी आपको मिलते हैं क्वेश्चन बुक में, टेक्स्ट बुक्स में या अदर जो हेल्पिंग बुक्स में, वहाँ से उनको एकदम थॉरोली करके जाइए आप और अच्छे से पढ़िए, बिकॉज दैट क्वेश्चन, वो जो MCQ टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, वो आपका 15 मार्क्स का करता है, विच इज योर पासिंग मार्क्स करता है. एंड व्हेन देन सेकंड क्वेश्चन भी आपका जो 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है, उसको भी आप पॉइंट्स में लिखेंगे, तो दैट आल्सो कैरीज अ गुड मार्क्स, एंड इट विल बी एबल to make you pass from the this if you attempt the answer the questions, and it will be make you able to score the good percentage, and you are able to score the good percentage in this board examinations. Thank you.